Afeela F Sedan. Overview. A new automotive brand called Afeela, the child of a joint venture between Sony and Honda, is about to break cover in 2026 with its first model, a smooth-sided e-sedan. A prototype was revealed at the 20 Consumer Electronics Show CCs in Las Vegas, flaunting a handsome, low-key design that's in line with most new-to-market electric vehicles, such as the Lucid Air and Tesla Model S. A year later, at the 2012 edition of CES, the company showed off another prototype that looks closer to production. What's new for 2026? The Afeela F Sedan represents the first product from an entirely new brand. The automaker expects to start taking orders in 2025, with North American deliveries set to arrive in the spring of 2026. We don't yet know the trim level structure, but we think the base price for such a vehicle will be about $45,000. We'll update this section once more information becomes available. Range, charging, and battery life. A 91 kW battery pack is sandwiched under the Afeela's floorboards, but we aren't sure about the car's range estimate yet. The company claims it can charge at fast chargers up to 150 kW. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Peeking inside the Afeela Sedan reveals a U-shaped yoke-style steering wheel seemingly inspired by the Tesla Model S Plaid, among several futuristic elements. The cabin glows with ambient lighting, and we can see a rotary controller ahead of the center armrest to access the car's entirely digital dashboard. The general layout is simple and clean, and the cabin seems spacious for a sedan. But we won't know more until closer to the car's on-sale date.